ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, you too. How are you?
Doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm also doing great, ma'am. So, ma'am,
Are you
today,
working? Yeah, are you working in a medical shop?
no, it's not medical shop, it's mobile shop.
Oh, it's mobile shop. Okay, that's great. So you are doing great. You are talking in English and practicing your English along with doing your business.
Yeah. So, ma'am, today we are meeting for the first time. So, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes. I am Shweta. I am speaking from West Bengal. I am in the journey of learning English, and I am sharing my English journey on my YouTube channel named Improve English with Shweta with 1.8K subscribers.
Wow,
And
it's
I
yeah, you are doing great job.
thank you. And I have completed my graduation, and I have a good typing skill, both Hindi and English. So that's all about myself.
Okay. And apart from your YouTube channel, are you doing any like part-time job,
Yes, I provide home tuition.
home tuition?
And yes.
Yeah, that's good. So, for which class?
It's a junior section, and I'm in West Bengal, so people generally face problem in Hindi, and
In
my mother tongue is Hindi. So usually I provide Hindi tuitions for up to class 9th.
Okay. So, where is your native place?
My native place is Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. So
Yes.
that's why you know Hindi.
Yes. Hmm.
Yeah. So, ma'am, tell me something like, do you have any topic or any question to discuss?
Yes. I want to know, while doing your business, how you come to know to start your learning journey. Why you started your learning journey? What motivates you?
Yeah, it
Motivated you?
yeah like I thought that English is very important in this modern era, and in every work, in every sector, and on every step, English is most important. So that's why it is compulsory and it is necessary to learn English.
Have you ever faced like any client came and you, talked with in English, and you need to speak in English with that person? Then you thought that okay, now I also want to learn English. Something like that happened with you?
Yes, of course. I faced so many times earlier when don't I had no knowledge about English.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
And
have you started any YouTube channel? Do you have a YouTube channel?
yes, I have YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Ligro Spoken English Institute, and I have been running on my YouTube channel more than 3 years.
Wow.
Yeah, and I have
So
subscribers 4.42K.
great. So is your channel monetized?
Yes. I have got 2 time payments on my YouTube channel.
Great. So you upload daily videos or weekly, or how you upload? In what frequency do you upload your videos?
It's not fixed, but whenever I get free time, so I upload. So like in 1 week, I upload 2 or 3 videos.
Okay. So till now, how many videos have you uploaded?
Yeah, it has been more than 300.
Okay. So it's only based on conversational English.
Yeah, most of my videos are based on conversation video, and
Okay.
other videos are related to like teaching videos and sometimes conversation with my students offline, like in class.
Okay. As you have a mobile shop, so can you suggest me a good mobile, good rate, and which is helpful for a YouTuber? if any new YouTuber want to purchase a mobile, which mobile is good to purchase for video call and for conversation, for doing editing, all these things? So which mobile do you prefer?
Yeah, it depends on people choice, which type of mobile they want, and which type of features they want. Because nowadays there are many types of mobile phones are available, and if you also want to know which mobile is best and best for people and best in market, so you can also look at like Amazon, Flipkart. There you can see the review of those mobiles, which mobile is getting good reviews, people are purchasing more and more. Yeah, and their quality, like for YouTuber, that mobile should have good camera and good RAM. Yeah, and also internal, like, yeah, if
Yes,
camera
yes,
will be
because
good. Yeah,
storage memory,
yeah,
storage memory. We face lot of problem regarding storage because every time we
storage,
record video and storage problem we face. So we need storage.
storage, yeah. So we need more storage and also good quality camera, and after that RAM is also important. If your mobile has a strong RAM, then it will not hang, it will work properly, it will also not hit your mobile. Yeah,
Yes,
and it will also work fast, so it depends on RAM.
RAM. Okay. Yes,
Yeah,
yes. So do you sell mobile or do you repair mobile in your shop?
we do both, also sell and repair, as well as also
Okay.
we want to start software.
Okay. So how
Yeah,
you learned to repair mobile? Have you taken any training to repair your mobile, or by learning you know all these things? By doing you learned all these things.
my brother joined its classes. it was
Okay,
it was 6 months course. Okay, and
okay,
yeah, so he knows very well about mobile repairing. So now he teaches me how can you repair, how can you do that, and as well as same time I'm also learning software work. So like laptop
okay.
repairing, computer repairing, as well as software. Because
It's a very good business because nowadays in this era everyone is using mobile phone, laptop, and everyone face problem regarding this. So if there is a problem and if you give solution, then you will earn much money.
yeah, yeah,
So
absolutely.
yes.
Because in
Hmm.
upcoming generation, most of people they will use laptop, and now they are also using laptop.
Yes, even villagers they don't have much economically strong, but they have a mobile phone and they
Mobile
can
phone.
change their life through this mobile phone. So
Yes,
yes, there are a lot of opportunity in this field if you do well to repair and
yeah. So that's why I also thought I should learn about laptop repairing software and also mobile.
yes, yes, great. Um,
Yeah.
so but what about English? Just you are doing how you manage? Like every time you have to give time to repair and invest your time, and after that editing videos and recording video and focusing towards English. So how you manage both the things?
Yeah, I manage like whenever I get free time and whenever I think we have no customer. So that time I try to talk with anyone. And before talking to you, I faced this problem. When I thought that I should call you, so suddenly I got a customer.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. That's why you hold me that, ma'am. Give me 5 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So we
But
face
you are
this type.
doing great because yes, and we housewife also do the same. Just my daughter called me, what you have prepared for lunch, and she called me. So it's like we have to take care of lot of things, and we should enjoy this journey. So
Yes.
yes,
Yeah, because homemaker they are most of time they are busy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, like in
Everyone
family.
depends on in family members mostly depend on us for their food, for their things, where you kept these things and that. So yes, we need to take care of these things. Apart from it, it's an enjoyable journey to create video and upload on YouTube. It gives us identity that yes,
Yes,
we are doing yes, it's our channel and we are learning English. And when you learn, you will feel good about you, about
yeah.
yourself.
And when you will be popular, so that time you will feel so much proud.
Yes, popular or yes, it matters, but things is that you feel that I'm investing my time in a good way. In mobile you
Good.
can do many things, but if you create something, then it will give happiness, like I am using my time, utilizing my time in a good way, not just
Good.
scrolling the videos and watching and wasting my time. So
Yeah,
if you are creating something, then it would be good for your life as well.
yeah, it's also a good idea because you will be also happy and you will also learn something different and connect with many people and know about their like life, their culture.
Yes, yes,
It's it's a good thing. And ma'am,
yes.
what do you expect? What do you expect from YouTube? Like, what can it give you?
Yes, it gives me lot of things. It's like not only English learning journey. It's like life transforming journey, I would say about me, because I was very underconfident. There are a lot of self doubt inside me, and I'm very hesitant person.
Yeah,
And it's like challenge for me that being a Hindi medium, you can't able to speak English.
yeah,
And
it's
I want to prove it wrong, that okay, for putting lot of efforts I can speak English. Yes, still I need improvement, but I felt that YouTube journey is a very wonderful journey for everyone's life. Yes, there is a everything has positive and negative things. Sometimes it creates lot of pressure on you whenever you are
yes,
unable to post videos. Then there is a lack of things, like I'm missing something, why I am unable to post video, I need to record video, so something happens, but still it's a very great journey, I would say.
yes, yes. Yeah, I can understand your situation and your problem because I have also faced this type of problems in my life.
Okay dear, it's nice talk to you, and I have to wind up this session.
Yeah, ma'am, it was really lovely and nice conversation. I'm so much happy to talk with you.
Same here, same here. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, ma'am. Have
Bye.
a nice day.